Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of Cooking With. I am Steve Newcomb, your culinary director here at Carroll Lutheran Village, and today we're going to make Alice Springs chicken. Alice Springs chicken is, we're kind of borrowing from Outback Steakhouse. If you've ever been there, this is on their menu. It's very simple, it's easy, it's good. So first off, we're going to start with, this is a 5-ounce chicken breast, all white meat. And we're just going to put that on our flat top here with a tiny bit of oil. We're going to cook that on both sides for about 3 to 4 minutes each so that we cook the chicken all the way through. So chicken's been cooking for a little while now. One last sec. It should be done in the center. So what we're going to do now is that we've got some already cooked bacon. We're going to put 2 slices of bacon over top of the piece of chicken. And then we've got some cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese. I'm going to put that right on top. We're going to cover that to let the cheese melt. Now if you want this without the cheese, without the bacon, completely fine. We can do that. Just let us know ahead of time that you wanted it without either one of those things, and we should be okay. This will be available for you to order on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday this coming week. So if there's something one day you want more than this, at least know you have it a couple more times throughout the week. Now that the cheese is melted, should be good to go. Serve it right on the plate. A little side of honey mustard. There you have it, Alice Springs chicken.